Good morning and welcome to the trading update. Asian indices are in positive territory this morning, with the Hang Seng currently trading up just over 0.3% and the Nikkei 225 having closed up 0.9%. This means that the Nikkei 225 fell 9% in total over the first quarter of 2014. The national sales tax will increase tomorrow in Japan from 5% to 8% in what some will feel will be a test for economics. In the UK, the FTSE 100 is currently trading just up over 0.5%. Miners are leading the way, with Rio Tinto and Anglo American, the two biggest gainers, up 2.1% and 1.76% respectively. Fresnillo, Antofagasta, BHP Billiton and Randgold are also up over 1%. Insurers are doing well this morning as they look to reverse some of the losses suffered on Friday, following the FCA announcement of an inquiry into old policies that is closed to new members. The week ahead will see the release of earnings figures from YouGov and Quindel on Monday and from ASOS on Wednesday. Trading and sales updates are due on Tuesday from Ford and on Thursday from Tate & Lyle and Booker Group. For more information, please visit Rake.com.